Okay, so we're starting a new topic, Unit 6.2, Newton's laws. And the first thing is I've got a pen top here, sat on my desk, and a piece of paper underneath it. And I'm just going to take the paper. Now, you may have seen these sort of demonstrations on the videos that I put in the PowerPoint, but if I take this piece of paper and just pull it out now, you can see that the pen top remains exactly where it was. And the reason for that is this. The pen top has some mass. And because it has some mass, it has what we call inertia. Okay, so when I pull the paper really quickly, the paper only applies a very small force on the pen top, and that means that it doesn't really move. Okay, if I pull the paper slowly, it applies a bigger force than the pen top and makes it move. Okay, but if I pull it quickly, hardly applies any force to the pen top, so it doesn't move. So what we can learn from this is objects that have mass require a force to be applied to them to make them move. If I don't apply a force to this object, it won't move. Now, you might say there are forces applied to this object. It's got the force of gravity pulling it down. That is true. But the table is pushing back up, and those forces are what we call balanced forces. We need what we call a resultant force applied to this pen top to make it move. And as you can see, hardly moves because the paper only applies a very small force to it. Okay. Now, this idea can be extended, and we'll perhaps talk about that in a minute.